Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to import your PDF file into Google Sheets. So first, you need the data in the tabular format, and to do that, you have to convert your PDF format to CSV. To do so, we will open a new tab here and simply type PDF to CSV converter. You can see several websites here. I'm going with this first one, Zemza. After opening it, click on Choose Files, select your file and click on Open. After that, tap on Convert Now. After that, click on Download. You will get it at your assigned location. Then go to Google Sheets. By opening Google Sheets, I have opened the untitled spreadsheet here. After that, go to the file, then go to the import. After clicking on import, go to upload, then click on browse, and you can see your converted file. Click on open. Here we have import location and here the separate type detect automatically. Click on import data. It will import the data of the sheet in the Google Sheets. As you can see, we have added the data to the spreadsheet. I hope you have found this video useful, and if so, please like and share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.